For the banded tricep extension, we're obviously going to need our resistance band, and then we are going to need something high up that we can attach the band to, or there is an alternative way to do this if you don't have like a door or something that is up high to be able to hook to. So if I find my high spot, I'm just gonna hook the band up and around through itself. Okay, we're gonna be double armed, close to the body and hands close together, okay? And elbows are gonna be tucked down at the sides next to the ribs. All right, and all we're gonna be doing is just extending down towards the ground, keeping those elbows in the same place, down all the way to the hips, full extension at the arm, and then control it back on the way up. Now, if you don't have a high place to hook it, if it's not hooking well, you can also flip this band around, grab it with your opposite arm, and this way you can kind of control the amount of resistance that you are giving yourself, okay? And we're still gonna have elbow tight to the ribs and extend down towards the ground here. That's still gonna give you a good amount of resistance. It might give you a little bit less range of motion, but you're still gonna get a good tricep pump. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the banded tricep extension. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.